So in this Visme tutorial video, I'm going to be showing you guys how to edit a background color on the Visme application. So once you're into the Visme app, open up a new project. So as you can tell, I just have a blank template right here of a white background. If you want to change the background, it's actually pretty straightforward. In the upper right hand side of your screen, right below this top bar, there's sort of an icon. It looks like a picture with a mountain with a little gear. Simply just go ahead and press on that option right here. And now by pressing on that, it should now change it to blue, meaning that it's highlighted right here. And at the bottom right here, there's three different options. There's color, background, and coming soon. Since we want to change the background color, just go ahead and press on color right here in the bottom left. Now what you can also do is view some recent colors. You can view some preset colors or some palettes, whatever the case may be. So if you wanted to change the color to, we'll just say, a green background right here, we'll go ahead and press on green and then just exit out of the screen. And there you go. That's how you guys can edit the background color of a project or a design here in the Visme application. Thanks again for watching, and I hope this video helps.